Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ki nong yalam Hapoh ka kenhun jong ki Autonomous District Council ba pher Hapoh ka than shetelam ingi kari ki ba kenthop ya ka Tripura, Bodoland, Karbi Anglong, Dima Hasau, ka Khasi Hills, Jainta Hills, Garo Hills bat ka Chakma, bat kiwe ki badan kumba Shiphotali ki Autonomous District Council menda kasngi ka arpusan tarik naitung arja arpusau ki Jingïakynduh yu menteri katanat kampo i yang kari wa Amit Shah bat ha ka jingalang ka balane kumba shiteng kenta AA nakaliang ka kenhun jong ka ADC kala penpau ya ki jingdan kam ha ka bade ba ka jingpen kala bat penbet thamai ya ka kharnet ka bahandriu jong ka riti sensyar kari nakaliang uba Pynïaid sings EMC em ka KHADC ubadairu u convener ka kenhun ADC habe kran bat kila pathai kubor hanong ba New Delhi ulaong ba ka district council ba pher Hapoh ka than shetelam ingi kari kidon la ka jong ka nongrem ban pen sngo hau Amit Shah ha ka ni ka sngi balet ya kendu bat nakaliang jong menteri ula kular ba Hapoh ka arpesan tarik nailar en pendap lut ya ki jingpet Bniah bat kandan ka komiti ka ban khle da menteri katanat ki kampo yeng ka jela ha ka juga por nakaliang ka kenhun ADC ka penpau ka jing sngo ya menteri katanat kampo yeng kari ubala shim khya bat kular ban pendap ya ka kam ha ka por ka babyang Shushu nakaliang uba Pynïaid ula pentip bro bahadian ke Jingïakynduh Bnai yu Amit Shah kan sadan pat ke Jingyalang jong baro Shiphotali ki ADC kabanlong hanong ba Shillong ha ka Shiphotari unailar nak benta banekran bat yamir jengmut halor ki babun ki benta kum ki nong yalam jong ki council
Nakaliang jongi kumka EDC ka kenhun jongki Autonomous District Council Hapoh North East River Kawai bakin thup nadut ya ka Tripura Territorial Council nangta ka Bodoland Territorial Council Karbi Anglong nangta ka Dima Hasau ka Khasi Hills, Jainta Hills, Garo Hills nangta ka Chakma, Lai Bat Mara baru Shiphotali ki Autonomous District Council Jingïakynduh mentak sri report nang Delhi badu kumju ngiladan ya ka meeting ka bakerpang ka bashimpor jan do shteng geta bad Union Home Minister Amit Shah ban ya penslow penpau ke jing dan kam gujungi hakabide bakani ka schedule amendment ya habide bakadi ka schedule amendment ngila penslow bad hoy ngidan la ki jong ki jing ni ki jing dawa ki jongi Henry ya baro ikini ki Jingdawa ke jungi nakaliang jong Union Home Minister la ai kata ka jubab dan ni la penslo hangi ba Hapoh ka Bnai kabamut Hapoh arpsam tarik Bnai 1 August bat an pendap yang ni kam ban Bishar Bniah bat kan sadon ka komiti ka ba Union Home Minister of State untuk ni kam but nakaliang jungi ni penpau ya jingkemen but I could play kerpang ya Home Minister Amit Shah bla sengap bala shimkhai ni ka kam habide kanika schedule amendment kermen scam ba kini baro kijing pensmo ke jungi habide banang penklan shushu ya ki ADC Hapoh North East khamtam ni wan ka jela meklia iki ki bangi ni so bangi dan kam ban ya dan lang penlong yang jadi penjungi bateli ki nong nong meklia bateli link ba ni schedule amendment kan nong ka jumentoi ba jingku frau sai sien nakaliang jungi na meklia ki DC ni ai kublai kerpang ye promote CM jong bodo ai kublai kerpang ye produce ye chairman jong ka Tripasa nangta MP jungi na po Karbi tiso nangta kiwe baro ki CM bedan lang kiba la penlong ini ka Jingïakynduh jingi ka job ta kasi tang ini ni ya keren be tang be de ba schedule hoy na baro Shiphotali ki ADC ni don lak ki jong ki jing penslo jing dawa ka jungi Henry ya kan ni ladep ben menjur da menteri mene bandon ya kawe ka komiti ka ban sakli da Union Home Minister of State ya kan ni batang Hapoh Bnai on pendap ban singap lut baro khoi ti details dengan namla ban batai lut ya baro ki jenat hange de Henry ka baskunat tolong ba Union Home Minister la pediang ya kenika ki ka memorandum ka jungi ka bangi tho ba pangi anile kata de ka ne sila benong ba ngila kre poi syaka jingjok agbe de ba kenika benta ka bangi la iki la slam hanadu snam arja khandai kabe de kenika schedule amendment bon joki EDC boro Shiphotali mentang asli hadin balade dulu ya Union Home Minister ina shimbu ikawai karai ba Jingïakynduh yang paramangi hasilong haka shipotare u August Jingïakynduh yang baru shipotani ki isi hasilong tekadi kalong ka kubor bat kunjuru nakaliang juni di yang subhai bro ki isi banwan hasilong namtaka meeting kebaar nang paminang yo Bniah berjimut Bniah keren Bniah taj show akademi
leaders along with Minister Amit Shah and his Minister of State Jingïakynduh was very well addressed. We are very happy that the Home Minister of India has assured us that in the next 1 month they will be addressing all our issues, which means the 25th of August. And he has assured us, if the agreement was signed when another government was in place, any commitment given by the government of India on any accord, any agreement will be honoured, because that is not agreement by BJP or Congress, is by the government of India. We are also very happy that a positive attitude was taken by the Home Minister, and we are hopeful because the councils may be different. I've heard you ask question, what does 125th Amendment mean? It may mean something for the Khasi, Garo Hills, Jaintia Hills. It may mean something else for BTR. It may mean something for Karbi Anglong. It may mean something completely different for Tripura. But all our problems will be individually heard by a committee and will be addressed so that there is a solution which is amicable. The most important thing is we don't want to go into confrontation. We want to give rights to our people, our community, and if this is how we progress, we will welcome it in a positive manner.